Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share your Facebook Reels to TikTok. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up Facebook application in your mobile device and then log in to your account. Once logged in, you need to go and simply tap on this menu icon. Then tap on your profile. Just like that, scroll below. Here, you'll see your Reels. Simply tap onto it. And inside here, you need to go and simply tap on this three dot. Then tap on download video. Once downloaded, head back to your home screen, open up TikTok application, and then make sure you're signed in to your account. Once signed in, tap on the plus icon right over here, and now select the video that you just downloaded from the Facebook. And just like that, inside here, you can add your captions, hashtags, and music if needed. TikTok algorithm favors video with platform-specific sounds and tags. After that, tap on post. Once your TikTok is posted, you can share it back to Facebook or Instagram Reels by tapping on share and Facebook Reels. Cross-posting helps keep your content consistent across platforms and maximizes reach without extra editing. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.